Hello teachers, I'm going to show you from a student's perspective the steps for completing a McGraw-Hill assignment with Kami in Google Classroom. The first thing students need to do is open McGraw-Hill first. They need to have the textbook open before they click on the assignment in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to launch, select your name, and now I'm in. Now I go back to my Class Link tab and go to Google Classroom. So now I'm going to go to your class, classwork, down to the reproducibles for Unit 9. Now when I click on Wonders, it will open with the Kami extension. So then I select Open with Kami. Okay, so this is the first time, so I'm going to go ahead and do it for her so that you understand the process. The first time, just as the video indicated, they sign in with their Google account. Allow. Might take some time. So now you can see the page has loaded with the Kami tools on the side. So if the student needs to use the text box, they click text box. They can select the size and color. Click just above the line and type name. And if they need to draw, they would click the drawing tools. They can adjust the thickness of the pen, and they can also select the color and draw. And to erase, grab the eraser and simply click on the item that they annotated. And of course there are shapes as well, but that's just a quick preview of what the students would do. And when they are finished, they would simply click Save to have it go to Google Classroom. Thank you.